just scares me. So this is the end we twist. We always twist from the nozzle in, unless you're doing like the reverse thing, which you do. Okay, so you take your L and you make your nose so about an inch. Some people take fingers, like 3 fingers, and then it doesn't matter whether you twist towards you or away from you, just always go the same direction. And make it. I have to go away from you. That's a pretty now we need a tummy. So small bubble for your tummy. Real small for you, not too big. Yeah.
Whatever you do. Right about there. Twist it across.
Okay.
The gray reminds me of a mouse.
A little wig. So smaller than what I'm going to use because I'm more.
Oh, you got it.
Just deflated a little bit, but you have the right idea. Good job.
Twist it across, go 3 times around. Make sure you go 3 times around.
There you have it done.
Right? So, here, I tend to do this first, which opens up.
What did I do wrong?
Twist it here,
See, you
and
just
then
didn't
push.
have a lot of your balloon
Push
left.
here.
So it's actually right.
Twist it across. You got it.
Oh, I lost all the oil.
Alright. Yep. There you go. And then,
some eyes?
there you go.
Oh, you drew.
We did draw.
Okay, now we're going to do something that looks really impressive. And then twist it again there. Yeah. This thing is awesome. How far do you want to go? Keep going, keep going. This is a pretty sturdy one. It's one of my favorite. I like waited a long time to buy these. Okay, stop. Now tie that one. I have 5-inch trowel. Okay, so now you're going to inflate.
I saw one.
Okay. What are you making? Oh. You're going to... It makes you feel really good, you know. You didn't know that?
I didn't know what you were doing.
It's my favorite.
The
Keep going.
wand? The wand?
One more.
The wand?
Stop. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
There you go. I wish my camera was working. Good. That's fun. Yeah, okay.
2 fingers.
2 fingers is easier. And then them all in the middle together at the same time.
Do they need to be even?
Not necessarily. The one twisting is kind of not an exact art. So you're going to take them, you're going to squeeze them, and you're going to do that. You don't have to be afraid because there's plenty of room on the end. Remember we discussed. They're not going to pop. I'm going to show you one thing after we put this on. Now you're going to take this and you're going to connect this nozzle to where you connected all the balloons together and just wrap it around. Octopus. So you can just like wrap it around. If you make it look really difficult, it's very impressive and you get lots of stuff. And you can blow on it, you can rub it on your tummy, whatever you want to do.
Well, that didn't quite have the effect that yours did, but it did.
Yeah, it did. So this one you want to be a little gentle with because it's a little tight. So wrap it around your hand. You have long nails, you have to be careful with your long nails. And you can blow on it, you rub it on your tummy, whatever you want to do.
What? And why does that do what it does?
The heat, friction, just changes the shape. We're moving a ton of
Make the belly work better.
ions inside the room.
All science.
Yeah. That's okay. I have a little experience. Well, this one,
Yeah, she's got a little bit of experience.
I know.
Yeah.
Take it and I can kind of manhandle because it's tail against the. Yeah, they're here somewhere. Oh, right over there.
Rub it good.
There you go. There you go. That one.
That means I'm glad it was you.
Yeah. Okay, now you just need to put eyeballs on your eyeballs.
So glad he came along, isn't he?
He is.
And I'm so rude with my balloon. Oh, you want
That's
to see
it.
your octopus? Does it make a hat?
It can make a hat, actually.